Fish lips to litter box, fish lips to litter box. Me luck, brother. I'm gooing under! Whoa! New goovolution! What the shrimp? Literally, I'm a goo-aquarium now! So cool! It tickles when they swim around! Dude! It's like a whole civilization built around goo! Whoa! Oh, gnarly! Wow! King Hydra, beloved ruler and protector of all Goo-lantis. Legendary multi-goo master, most powerful hero of gujitsu ever in the deep goo sea. Flarping flounder, now that is a hero of heroes. Freeze, Wilder! A Wilder? Where? Ah, Puffer Strike! Boo-goo! Wait, what'd you say? I'm not a Wilder, Fin Face! Tsunami Chomp! How did you know my name? Wait, your name really is Fin Face?
No, you saw me and screamed Fugu.
'Cause that's the thing I yell when I'm freaked out. Wait! Is Fugu really your name? Oh, that slaps! Hey, I'm Thrash. First time.
Freeze, Wilder scum!
Dude, we covered this. I'm not a Wilder.
No, behind you.
Fugu! Thrash! Yeah, that's fair. Let's pound these guys. Upper Strike!
Deep Sea Wrath! Section Strike!
That's right, you better run! Guess they can't handle surface goo.
Welcome to the Deep Goo Sea. I am King Hydra. I often wondered if you surface heroes might find your way down to us. Excuse me for a moment. Trident Strike!
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen! And I've been to space. He has 3 separate goo powers? What happens when he attacks with all 3 goos at once?
Nobody knows, but we are all dying to see it.
Look out, my king! Tsunami Chomp!
Impressive. This is my most trusted goo tenant, Hammerhead. Walk with us, goo brother. Our Wilders have been getting bolder lately. I fear they're planning something big. I can feel it in all 3 of my goos. We hereby dub thee Thrashicus, Knight of the Golden Goo.
The 3-headed idiot has 1 day to renounce the throne. Just wish we knew who that goo-all is.
Tickles, right? Whoa, Tyro! You've gone multi-goo like the king!
2 different kinds of goo? That is revolutionary!
Lasergon, Tyro, it is an honor to have such legendary goo masters in my Gujo and my city. A moment. Hammerhead, increase the Hologoon difficulty to unbeatable. Nice try, old friend, but you'll have to work harder than that to beat me.
Oh, I'll get you one of these days.
Я не сдаюсь.
После долгих лет поисков суперзвезды, она наконец-то наша! Ворота, или умрите!
Тебя кто играть учил?
He always did have crippling goo envy. It makes you a freak, unfit to rule. On my signal, blow everything